Born2Bond Structural is a high-strength, two-part instant adhesive formulated for applications that require mechanical and in-use environmental resistance. Structural offers excellent bonding performance to a large variety of closed substrates, such as aluminum, steel, and plastics, as well as porous substrates such as wood, chipboard, and leather. These characteristics make Structural ideal for applications such as smartphone assembly, sports equipment, and general assembly. It's the toughest two-part structural cyanoacrylate on the market, with an open time of up to 25 minutes and a fixture time of as little as 30 seconds. Other key features include gap filling, precision, multi-substrate adhesion, and the ability for substrates to be repositioned during the curing process. All of these features and more help improve operational efficiencies, increase design opportunities, and enhance end-use product performance and aesthetics. Contact a Bostik expert in your region to learn more about Structural and how it can help, or visit born2bond.bostik.com to learn more.